All right, guys. So I'm just going to do a really quick walkthrough, like I promised, for number 21 here. Um, so number 21, it says that octane has a molar mass of 114.26 grams per mole. Um, if 1 mole of the compound contains 18.17 grams of hydrogen, what is the molecular formula? So I think I mentioned this in class. Basically, what you're going to do is you're going to start by taking the molar mass, the 114.26, and subtracting the 18.17. This will get you the grams of carbon, which ends up being 96.09. And then in reality, from this point on, you just do what you would do on the other ones, which is you convert your grams of each element to moles. So that comes out to be 8.0075. And same thing with the 18.17 grams of hydrogen. Okay, and that gives us this. Then we divide by the smallest, right? So we get so this kicks us out a 1, and that okay, so this gives me 2.269 blah blah blah. All right. So at this point, remember, these are supposed to be the number of atoms for our empirical formula, but this is not close enough to round. So we need to multiply by something to get a whole number. Now you can just guess and check, like start like multiply by 2, see if that gets you close enough to round or not, and just do it that way. Or you can look at this like this is pretty close to 0.25, which is 1/4. So I'm going to multiply by 4. If I take that by 4, you can see this gives me this, which is close enough to round to a whole number. So I'm going to multiply by 4, and that's going to give me 9. Okay, and that whatever you do to one of them, you've got to do to all the numbers there. So this times 4. So we get an empirical formula of C4H9. Okay. Then we're going to take this. We find the empirical formula mass. And again, you don't have to show this part of the work, but so carbon 4 times 12, 48. Hydrogen 9 at 1, 9. So we get 57. So you don't necessarily have to show this, but you do need to show this next part, which is you take the molar mass divided by the empirical formula mass. Okay, so this gives us our multiplier, which you then multiply the number of atoms. So 2 times 4 gives us C8. This is the molecular. Sorry, my bad writing there. C8, and then 2 times 9, so H18, and that's the answer. Okay, so hopefully that helps for number 29, or I'm sorry, number 21.